And here is a look from our Valley Skycam. This is looking westward down I-94. Heavy traffic in both directions, both eastbound and westbound at this hour. Things look quiet for traveling up and down the I-94 corridor for this evening, so traffic looks to be moving along quite nicely for us. Now, temperatures at Hector International Airport as we speak. We've got those, the air temperature at least, of course, at Hector International, 31 degrees, so just below that freezing point. But of course, when you factor in the winds, north at 9 miles per hour, feels like 23 degrees. So a little bit on the wind chilly side out there. So if you are heading out to Parade of Lights or any other outdoor activity for your Tuesday evening, expect temperatures to be in the 20s and 30s with those wind chills, though, in the teens and 20s. So you want to bundle up and cover up any exposed skin if you are heading out to the Parade of Lights. 32 degrees right now in Wahpeton is the hot spot at this hour. Looking, of course, at the big picture, this is the warnings and advisories map. So notice the winter weather warnings and advisories for Denver have been lifted, but now we shift our attention then to the Minneapolis area, which is where this storm is moving as we speak. This winter storm warning goes until, let me step out of the way there, goes until Wednesday at 12 p.m. So that is for the Minneapolis metro area. And notice that this warning actually includes the St. Cloud area up as well. This also includes Brainerd, Marshall. So just outside of our viewing area is where that winter storm warning is. That blue box, that purple box there, is the winter weather advisory. So still can see some weather impacts just outside of our southwestern neighborhoods. And there's the system right now that has those warnings, again, expanding from extreme southern and western part of Nebraska through Omaha, up northern Iowa, and toward the Minneapolis area. So this system had dropped some incredible snowfall in the Denver metro. I saw some pictures and videos from my friends in Denver that had upwards of 18 inches to 2 feet of snow there in Denver. So that's the same system, of course, moving toward Minneapolis. Not expecting 2 feet of snow in Minneapolis, but a foot of snow not out of the question in that Minneapolis area as we head through the next 24 hours or so. Here's the hour by hour. So there's that system there moving through the cities. Look at that purple. That's that heavy snowfall, and you've got a lot of wind coming off of the Lake Superior there as well. So it's going to be causing some reduced visibilities and even some lakeshore flooding there on the tip of Lake Superior as that wind rushes and pushes that lake water in. But notice how we only have just some clouds around for this evening. Could be some flurries in our southwestern neighborhoods, of course, as we head through the next, we'll say next couple of hours this evening. But then moving this forward, we'll see, things stay quiet for us here in the Red River Valley, but still seeing the snow hanging on. This is still Wednesday morning around 7:30 a.m. Still some lingering snow showers there in the Minneapolis area. But again, the wind will be affecting the Minneapolis airport, even up toward Duluth as well. And advancing this even further into the later hours on Wednesday. That looks to clear out of Minneapolis by about lunchtime there on Wednesday. So it's good news, of course, if you have any of those travelers for this evening. Big changes moving into Wednesday there for Minneapolis. So big picture now, this is the precipitation potential. You can see 6 to 9 inches possible there in Minneapolis, 3 to 6 there for the Duluth area. So definitely want to keep that in mind if you're traveling through Minneapolis late tonight or through tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon for most of us, we're in the 20s and 30s, so it's going to be chillier than it was today. I do expect some clouds to grace us with some sun to grace us with its presence later on, but it'll be breezy for the day tomorrow. Now, here's the big picture. This is the system we've been watching for quite some time now. This is after lunchtime on Friday. We'll start to see some snow showers work in. So as it looks right now, Thanksgiving looks quiet. Some light snowfall is possible, but not expecting any travel impacts on Thanksgiving Day. But look at this. Saturday, late on Saturday, we're going to start to see the heavy snowfall pick up. The winds pick up as well. So with the winds and some heavy snowfall, some blizzard-like conditions are possible in a few locations here across the Red River Valley. Exactly where that sets up, still to be determined, but just be on the lookout for that. That could be impactful for the day on Saturday. But then Sunday, things do look to clear up as we head into the afternoon hours on Sunday. So that's what we have in store for the end of the week. And of course, with the Colorado low, these are systems that are notorious for dropping 1 foot or more of snow in the Red River Valley. So the latest computer data has shown that it's still a possibility of seeing 1 foot of snow or more in a few isolated locations here across the Red River Valley through Sunday morning. So that's Friday, Saturday, and then the early Sunday morning. So that's storm totals. But look at that. We're in the 30s for the rest of that 7-day planner. And again, Thanksgiving looks quiet. Maybe a few snow showers toward our southwest. But Friday and Saturday, as I've highlighted here on the 7-day planner in red, will be the high-impact travel days with the slippery conditions, reduced visibilities, and heavy snow.
It's getting home that will be the tricky part.
It's getting home. Yeah, you can enjoy your Thanksgiving with minimal impacts, but it's the trip afterward that may be a bit dicey.
Thanks, Nathan.
Yeah.